Hi everyone, welcome back to IC4U. In today's video, I will be showing you how to translate strings in Magento 2. Whether you are running multi-language store or just need to customize a default text, Magento 2 makes it easy, so let's get started. Magento 2 uses the translation dictionary and CSV files to translate text. It supports multiple languages through CSV files located in the I18 directory. You can overwrite default translations without modifying core files. Let's dive into our editor. I will go to here, App Design Frontend, and I will go to the theme folder, our theme folder. I have theme here, its name Moderna, and I created this directory, and under it file name AR_SA. This is our local, will be translated to this the phrase and this the translation. When we go to the home page of our website, we don't see this phrases is translated. We need to go to admin dashboard and go to stores, configuration, and then general tab, and here our local options. Then choose Arabic Saudi Arabia, then click save, and after that clear the cache. Now we will refresh the page, and here we go. Our translation has got affected here. Okay, now we know how to translate the missing phrases on our theme. We will do now is downloading language package to translate the most of the phrases of Magento 2. I will use Mage Plaza Magento 2 language pack. I will go here and search on GitHub Mage Plaza language pack. This is the language pack of Mage Plaza. I will use this command. And will install it in our website. I'm using here /composer because I'm using Mark Schust Docker container. After install the package, I will install it in our website using bin/magento setup upgrade. Now, after running the command bin magento setup upgrade and refreshing the page, I will find our website getting translated to our language after installing the package. Now I will tell you how to create multi-store view for your website, so you can switch between English language or any other language. First, I will go to stores and all stores. Here we have only one store view. It's called default. I will create now store view. Its name Arabic and the code is AR, and will change the status to enabled and sort order to. Then general, and will change this to English again, revert it back and save. Then I will choose here the scope, the Arabic store view, and uncheck this checkbox and choose Arabic Saudi Arabia and save the configuration. Then I will go to System, Cache Management and flush Magento cache. We have two store views. Our default store view is English and the other store view is Arabic. As you can see here, the Arabic store view, and this is the English store view. Now I will tell you a very important tip. Some translations we cannot translate it from CSV file or any other packages, but we need to translate it from the module configuration itself, like the shipping module. If we go to stores, configuration and sales, delivery methods, I will check here the checkout page. If I choose Arabic store view, I will see here these phrases cannot be translated. I need to translate it from its configuration. I will choose the scope, Arabic scope, and I need to change these phrases from the configuration here. I will change this like that and click save. Then flush the cache. Then I will refresh the page. As you can see here, the translated phrase for the shipping module. Now, the final step, I will tell you about some commands to solve the common issues. First, in your local computer, we use the developer mode. We need to set deploy mode developer. Make sure your local computer on developer mode and see this message, enabled developer mode. Sometimes we need to flush the cache using bin/magento cache flush from the command line, or you can flush the cache from the admin panel. There is also, if you are not using Markshost Docker container, you can use this command rm-frv, removing the generated folder and static front end directory. and the var directory. But I am using a Docker container for markshots, so I am using command bin/cli before the regular command, as you can see here. This is the most common issues. You can fix it by running these commands. And that's it. You now know how to translate strings in Magento 2. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to ITC4U for more Magento tips. Got a questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.